to the DreamWorks Theater. It's showtime. Mika, lights! That could have got better. Time, boys, places. Let's put on a show. Hey, where's my macchiato? Get ready for a donkey and Shrek show.
You mean the Shrek and Donkey show?
Yeah, both dogs. The Money or the Cascot show.
Oh, come on. I know you all here to see me, right?
You folks came to see anybody. You came to see me.
But I'm the cutest.
And I'm the sweetest.
I hate to break it to you, but we're doing a Kung Fu Panda show.
See what?
Says who? Says everybody here, right?
Especially these guys in front and maybe that family over there. They're obviously Kung Fu fans. Look! The helmet of Master Thundering Rhino.
I see you, Thundering Rhino. And raise you one talking donkey.
Wait, look at this. The Sword of Heroes. And the coolest thing of all, the Ming Hammer. A relic so powerful, it can knock you into the spirit realm.
Check these. I can't complete with that.
Hold it! Oh, you just received a message from
The Emperor! Ooh. My clever son has been asked to make a special delivery for the Emperor!
How do you know that?
Simple. I read his mail.
Is that the delivery?
Oh, that looks important.
It's more than important. This is the liquid of ultimate power.
Well, if the Emperor needs that delivery, then we'll make sure he gets it. Right, guys?
But we may not all survive.
Okay, good luck with that.
Copy reporting for duty.
She said duty! Sorry, guys. I think we may need some warriors that are a little, bigger.
Aww. Wait, I know something fun. Let's have a tea party.
Oh, that's the boat.
Ooh, how about if you guys come as backup?
You're serious.
This is gonna be great! Meet you inside. I must have that liquid! With the Ming Hammer, the liquid of ultimate power will be mine! Come on! Before Shifu changes his mind!
I heard that.
Just kidding! Hey buddy, can you give us a hand with these doors? Hey everybody, are you ready to go? Okay guys, go run! Oh, Dad, let me help you.
You're such a good son.
Oh!
Hey, you there, Mr. Butterfingers. Be careful with that.
Hang on everybody, this should be quite a ride! Imperial Palace, here we come!
This is so exciting.
Oh, watch where you're going. We're going to hit those rocks.
Hang on, everybody.
That's weird. It's like the river just ends up ahead.
Let me see that. According to the map, it's a waterfall.
Here they are! Hey!
I hope you can swim.
Glad you're back. Thought we lost you. Please try to stay with us. You're supposed to be our backup.
Wow!
We need to be quiet, Paulo. This is the dreaded Kang territory.
Did you hear that, guys?
Why is Kang so ready?
Mr. Pig, please.
King's wolves are the most feared and ruthless river pirates anywhere.
But why?
Hello? He's a wolf.
Pirate. And he's known for his cunning.
Howdy, friends!
I am Kang. Prepare to die.
How did he get the Ming Hammer?
Not so fast, Panda.
Oh, don't worry. I still got the bottle.
None of my
and lost your special delivery.
You are my special delivery.
Wait, me?
Then what was in that bottle?
The secret ingredient to my hot sauce. Dad, your hot sauce is awesome!
And your tongue is as formidable as your kung fu.
Yeah, well, I've had a lot of training. Oh, I almost forgot! Bye, guys!